just do this little update video, I suppose. This is the gut of that Philips TROPIC radio. I had to put her video up last weekend on, and she has 5 tubes, including this one. You got one there, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Tuning capacitor, and that's the way she's threaded for her needle. And this is underneath. So this machine has never, this radio has never been updated, upgraded. She still has her original electrolytic capacitors in her, and she do have a diode for rectification. So yeah, it's a bit of work. There's like 11 capacitors in there altogether that I'm planning on replacing. Got one here and here. All these, basically these yellow ones, are all caps, and some are electrolytic, some are paper filled or wax filled, paper filled. So a lot of these are going to have to be replaced. So yeah, there we go. Just got to get it done and get her figured out and see what's going on with it. So yeah, just a little update on this PHILCO TROPIC radio. I figured some of you may be interested in seeing a little bit more of it. But yeah, this is it. This is the bottom. This is under the chassis view of the Philips TROPIC radio. Old school for sure, but it works. Or I should say, it worked fine back in the day. But of course, 60, 70 years later, equipment like this needs to be updated to bring it up to today's standards. But anyway, just a little update. I'm gonna get some capacitors brought in. I'll get my hands on a couple of them and do some replacements. But the chassis itself, there's no rust on it whatsoever. It's perfect condition. So the radio's never been left in any burns or sheds. Never seen damp weather. Anyways, or damp locations, you should say. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see what else comes up. All the best.